Very nice. Okay. Yeah.
Run, 'cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't.
Hey guys, welcome to YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for choosing to watch me today. So I'm sure you're wondering what I have here with me today, and it's a top. And yes, we'll be doing an upcycling video today, which has been long coming. I haven't done one in a long time, so I feel like with this one I had to do it. Like, as soon as I saw this top, I knew I had to do one, because like this top is very nice. Okay. So this top was my grandmother's, by the way, my late grandmother. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, you know what? That's going to be my night out dress, because I don't have many of those mini dresses. So I decided to change this dress into a bodycon cutout dress, which is going to be like a mini skirt. And I really do love the fabric of this top. And so without wasting any time, let's just jump right into today's video. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start by laying down our top so that we can have and see how we're gonna start working with it. So after that, you can just bring in any kind of skirt that you like as a pattern so that you can start cutting around it and have that as the bottom of the dress, since this is going to be a cutout dress.
'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target.
After you're done cutting, just you're gonna hem around the bottom and the top, and then pin the sides together and make it a skirt. So now initially you just have a skirt, and then you're gonna do the top, and then gonna bring those two together. Okay. You see, this, I feel like this was the easiest upcycling project I've ever done, but then when you see it, it doesn't look so simple, but then it was like very simple. I can assure you that.
Never finish what I've started. Kinda makes me wish I never started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna 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 face myself. No, I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. Moving target. I never finish what I've started. Moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. Kinda makes me wish I never started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna 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 face myself. No, I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself.
Okay. As you can see, we have a skirt, and then now all that is left for us is to do the top. And with the tops comes a lot of measurements, which I'm going to get right into right now. Okay.
I'm a moving target.
Since I'm someone who doesn't really work with patterns, I just do what I feel is right at the time. So this is what I did for the measurements. As you can see, I'm just going to put every measurement on the screen so that I don't say anything wrong, and then I have to redo everything else. Okay, so these are the only three pieces that I need for the top part of the dress. It's the back, the front, and the strap. Yeah, that's all. As you can see, I did say that this was going to be simple, and I'm sure you guys don't believe me, but now as you can see, it's very simple. So now you have two pieces, a top and a skirt, and I want them to get married. I want them to be one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose any side, whichever side, and then I'm going to just match them together, sew them together, and make them a dress. Okay. Okay, so without wasting any time, it's time for the reveal. Drum roll, please.
Moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself.
But anyways, we've reached the end of our video, and if you did enjoy this video, please hit a like and leave a comment about the dress and how it came out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself.